Robert from Baytown has a moisture barrier problem.
Well, he's got more of a question, really. He's helping his brother raise a 1967 house 24 inches.
Okay.
He said, Robert writes, the house flooded during Harvey, and we're planning to leave some of the existing 1x6 boards in the rooms that are good, replacing rooms that are bad. And he says there are small gaps between the 1x6 boards. So you get the picture, kind of like we had on the floor upstairs here when we moved in here. So Robert has two questions. Should there be a moisture barrier, like, Tyvek or something, under the plywood decking used as a subfloor? And his other question, Tom, is can we put the wrap between the 1x6 boards that rests on the floor and the new plywood decking that they're putting, like make a little sandwich of it?
It would make it, you can do it. It's not going to hurt anything, but it's not going to do any good.
Okay.
Moisture barriers for wind-driven rain, and underneath the house you don't get any wind-driven rain, and there's no water splashing up, so it's not going to really.
If there's another flood, it's not going to help the house.
Yeah,
flood.
no, it's not a flood-proof product by any means, but that's used behind siding for infiltration control. Most of them are double duty now, and as far as a moisture barrier with wind-driven rain that will get behind siding. So that's why it's important to have that, but not under a house.
Okay, so don't bother.
No.
But you could bother to send us questions. We appreciate it. We'll answer it just like that. Send it to the Ask Tom forum at HomeShowRadio.com and check out other videos while you're here.